If your Google Gemini chat history is a mess, or you've typed things you don't want saved, you should delete it. Most people only delete chats one by one, but there's a hidden option that wipes everything at once. I'll show you both ways in under 2 minutes. First, here's how to delete just one conversation. Open the Gemini app on your Android phone. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Under Chats, find the chat you want to delete and long press on it. Tap Delete, then tap Confirm on the pop-up. You will see a confirmation that the chat is deleted. Quick heads up, once you delete it, it's gone for good. So save anything important before you do this. Now, if you want to delete your entire Gemini chat history, this is the part most people miss, so follow closely. Tap your profile picture in the top right. Then tap Gemini Apps Activity. This opens your Google account activity page for Gemini. First, you'll see that Keep Activity is set to On. We are going to change that by tapping the blue On button. Here you will see two options. Turn Off. This stops future chats from being saved. And Turn Off and Delete Activity. This stops saving and removes existing chats. If you want a full clean slate, choose Turn Off and Delete Activity, then follow the prompts. To delete chats automatically, on that same page, tap the arrow next to Deleting Activity Older Than. Here you can choose how long Gemini should keep your chats, whether it be 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. If privacy matters, I recommend 3 months. Tap Next. Then tap Done. Anything older than that will be deleted automatically. Manually delete everything right now. You can also wipe your history instantly. Scroll down and tap Delete. Choose Last Hour, Last Day, All Time, or Custom Range. To remove everything at once, select All Time and tap Delete at the bottom and follow any other prompts. Cleaning up your Gemini chats is smart, but Gemini isn't the only AI saving your conversations. If you've been using Grok inside X, your chats there are stored too, and most people don't even realize it. I've got a step-by-step video showing exactly how to delete your Grok AI chat history on Twitter. If privacy matters to you, you need to watch that next. Click the video on screen right now, and I'll show you how to wipe Grok completely.